Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to connect your Clash of Clans with Facebook account. First, open Clash of Clans on your device and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to link. Now, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will see the Supercell ID section. If it shows disconnected, tap on it to start the linking process. Next, click on Continue. You'll be asked to enter the email address you want to connect with your Clash of Clans account. Make sure this is an email you have access to because you'll receive a verification link. After entering your email, check your inbox for the verification email from Supercell. Open the email and follow the instructions to confirm your account connection. Once verified, your Clash of Clans account will be linked to the Supercell ID. This allows you to save your progress, access your account on multiple devices, and keep it secure. With the account linked, you can also start adding friends within the Supercell platform. Tap on the Friends section in your settings to add friends by their username, profile link, or by scanning a QR code shared by them. Currently, connecting directly to Facebook isn't supported, but linking through Supercell ID gives you similar features for saving progress and connecting with friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.